All right. Hello. My name is Vladimir Jean-Louis. We were originally Team 8, but then we changed our team name to something very long and ridiculous because we were trying to get the extra point. But in short, it stands for Sun Devil. Our team consists of myself, Vladimir, Boris, Tedlin, and Rory. And our project name is Picking Up the Pieces, which is a project of creating a swarm of robots that will have the sole mission of cleaning the streets of any urban area. So this is our problem statement. Just wanted to do a very quick overview of it. But in short, cities tend to struggle with maintaining sanitation. So our robot would alleviate a lot of the additional assistance that a normal person would need. And they would also be fully automated. So I now introduce you to the Sidewalk Clean Pro. And below are the list of tasks that this specific robot will be accomplishing. The dimensions of the Sidewalk Clean Pro is 5 by 6 by 3.5. So a width of 3.5 feet, a length of 6 feet, and a height of 5 feet. Right here, I have some components that are part of it, which I should have included in Deliverable 3, but I did not. So I want to make sure that I added it onto it. As you can see, there's some headlights, there's some additional sensors that you can see, suction hose, storage, space, the motors, DC motors, etc. So these are the activity diagram of the full cycle process from the second that it leaves the mothership to cleaning and returning and restarting the cycle again. Right here are the codes. And that is it. And now we will be moving on to demonstration. So bear with me because I have a Mac computer and it is very sensitive. Okay. So starting the simulation, first I'd like to bring your attention to the two DC motors, which is going clockwise and counterclockwise. And with the assumption that this DC motor would be at the center, this would be utilizing as the suction pump of the vacuum portion. These would have the buffer brushes in, bringing the trash and dirt and garbage inward to the center of the robot. These two are the wheels. Over here, I've added a multimeter, so you'll be able to see when it is going forward, which is when it has a positive voltage, and then the motors go back in reverse when it's going in the negative voltage, and then whenever it's 0, that's when it's at a stop, like so. I wanted to go over some of the additional sensors that the robot's going to have, include such as the distance sensors, obstacle detectors, battery temperature sensors, the weight sensors, because it's going to be carrying a lot of trash. So for now, the weight would be a maximum of maybe 600 pounds for it to get full, and then heading back to the mothership just to be emptied. It would also include GPS, moisture detection, and I think the LiDAR is pretty much the same thing as the distance sensor. So I'm stopping this right there. Oh, yeah, I'm just going over the code. As you can see in the serial monitor, where you can see I kind of put it so it would be done automatically just for the purpose of this demonstration. And I believe that is it, and I hope that I covered everything. So please, if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you very much for your time.